Alright guys, so today's video we're going to look at the best auto-tune plugins and we're going to compare which one of them sound great. I mean, it's a competition whether to go for Auto-Tune Artist, Auto-Tune Pro, think of the old version of Auto-Tune or the latest Auto-Tune plugin. And right after this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get a free version of these Auto-Tune that I'm about to show you. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you can actually download any of the Auto-Tune plugins that you are interested. Let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gossa. Once again, I'm a music producer. I take you through mixing of vocals, mixing of beats. If you are new to beat making, I'm gonna assist you, and mastering, I'm there for you. Anything about music production, you can count on me. So do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop such content. So guys, let's continue with today's video. Alright, so we are in Cubase 14 now, and we're gonna use this simple recording that I did. Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna play the recording. We're gonna loop this section. Let me highlight this one, then go to the color panel over here, then we're gonna change it to, let's say, yellow. Alright, I'm gonna loop only this section. As you can see, I've muted these vocals beneath it. If you are new to Cubase and you want to know how to record vocals, set up your audio interface in Cubase, I have a full video taking you through step by step. If it's about mixing too, I got you. Alright, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, go back to my previous videos and watch whatever that you are looking for. I have a lot of videos taking you through whatever that you want. Alright, so guys, let's listen to these vocals first, and after that we're gonna walk through the best auto-tune plugins to consider.
Yeah. Oh, 7-6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check.
Alright, so I'm gonna stick to this section. When we go to the audio track, you can see we don't have anything over here. What I did was I mostly route my recorded vocals to a group track that's over here, and this is where I insert most of the plugins. So the very first plugin on the list is Ozone 7. Guys, I'm having a trouble loading this today. Alright, so the next plugin was the compressor. I did a little bit compressing. If you are new to compressor, I'm gonna assist you, so make sure you go and watch my videos on compressors. Then I did EQ over here. Alright, you can see EQ is one of the basics that you need to add to your vocals. I cut off some of the low ends. There's some surgical EQ over here, boosted some of the high ends. Super simple, nothing crazy. Then the next thing I introduced was this SSL EQ mono coming from Waves. If you don't know how to use this one to get more energetic, brightly colored vocals, then I will advise you to turn on the bell notification, because in the next coming videos I'm going to show you how you can actually use this particular plugins to achieve the Burna Boy style of mixing. Alright, it's super simple if you have the SSL EQ. Alright, so these are the plugins, and when you go here, I created this effects track. The very first one is the Maserati JRP mono, also coming from Waves. Alright, this plugin is crazy. You know what it's doing? Let's bypass it, and now listen. I want you to use good headset and monitors so that you can actually hear the volume. Alright, listen without it.
Yeah. Oh, 7-6 again. My text, my check.
Alright, so you can actually hear that the volume is a little bit down, but when you introduce this Maserati to your vocals, it's gonna compress it instantly for you. Alright, so let me show you the trick. Alright, so we're gonna enable it now. Listen to the volume of the vocals right now.
Yeah. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check.
As you can see, it is now compressing the vocals tight for us to hear. All right, so if you want me to go deep on this particular Maserati GRP mono tutorials, leave a comment and I will come and show you. Now guys, what I'm going to do is to create a reverb track. So let's right click here, go to FS, add a FS track. Then we're going to use the Valhalla Vintage verb. So we're going to add track. Super simple. I'm going to reduce the decay to 0.3, reduce the pre-delay. All right, super simple. Now let's go to the group track, then we're gonna send it to the group track over here. Let's click here, go to Valhalla Vintage, and now we need to enable it by turning on the send off. All right, then let's add the amount that we want whilst we are listening to the vocals.
Yeah. Oh. 7/6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah. Oh. 7/6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah.
Alright, so that's super simple. I'm gonna stick to that. Let's go to the Valhalla Vintage verb again. Then guys, over here.
Oh. 7/6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2.
Alright, so now that we have a perfect reverb added to it, it's time to look at the best auto-tune plugins. Super simple. Okay, so guys, when it comes to auto-tune, I mostly place it on the recorded track. So now let's know the right key for the vocals. If you don't know how to detect the key of unknown vocals, I have a full video taking you through step by step, and I'm going to show you one of the tricks by using auto key. All right, so we're going to search auto key 2 from waves. Let's double click on that. All right, so this auto key 2 coming from waves. What you need to do is to load it on the instrument. Let me change the color of the instrument so that you can actually see it well. All right, so this is the instrument or the beat. You need to load it on it and play it for it to detect the key for you. As you can see, waiting for transport. So we're gonna play and this is gonna tell us the key. I have a full video taking you through step by step. Listen. As you can see, listen.
Yeah. Oh. 7/6 again. My text, my check.
Alright, so you can see it has detected G minor and B flat major. Alright, super simple. Now it's time to go and load the auto tune. Alright, so now guys, let's open this one, the auto key 2, place it over here. Then we're gonna open auto tune access 2. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So this is the best way to use auto tune if you are having the auto key 2. So it is predicting 2 keys over here. So G minor, let's change the scale to minor, then change the key to G. And now let's listen to the very first one. What you need to do is to push the routine speed all the way up like this. Now let's listen.
Yeah. Oh. 7/6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
It sounds a little bit okay, but I'm gonna try the next key predicted by the auto key 2, and that was B flat major. So let's check, change this to major, B flat, B flat, B flat, or A sharp. All right, now let's listen to this one too.
Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah. Oh. 7 6 again. My text, my check.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna stick to this one and I'm gonna push the routine speed to medium. Alright, so when you consider Auto-Tune Artist, your routine speed can be pushed from slow to medium then to fast. Alright, so what you need to do is to push it to the medium like this. Now let's listen to that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. 7 6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah. Oh. 7 6 again. My text, my check.
Alright, so guys, why I really love this particular auto-tune is that it is simple to dial in. If you are new to auto-tune, all you need to do is to get auto-tune access. Antares have not sponsored this video, alright, but if you want auto-tune, then auto-tune access is one of the best auto-tune plugins that you can actually get to take your mixing to the next level. It's simple to dial in. Alright, if you look at the humanize, it's also from off to minimum then to maximum. Alright, super simple. If you don't know anything about auto-tune, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So auto-tune access is the very first auto-tune on the list. Now let's load the next auto-tune plugin, and the next auto-tune plugin is Auto-Tune Artist. Alright, if you have been watching my videos, you know I'm a fan of Auto-Tune Artist. I really love this, so we're gonna change it. Let's check the key once again. You guys subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So G minor, let's change the key to G. Alright, and now let's listen to Auto-Tune Artist on the vocals too.
My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text, one check. Yeah. Oh. 7 6 again. My text, my check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check.
Alright, so you can actually hear the sound or the taste coming from Auto-Tune Artist. Is great. Alright, so it's super simple to use. It comes with the key and the scale, the input type, the routine speed. You can actually dial in any amount that you want. It also comes with the humanized knob. I mean, these are the basic knobs of every auto-tune. The flex tune, the natural vibrator. If you want to add, then you can even change it to the advanced mode, control most of the things that you want when it comes to the pitch amount, the amplitude, the vibration. Guys, it's super simple. I have a full video taking you through Auto-Tune Artist. If you want to watch this, go back to my channel and watch right after watching this video. Now let's listen to Auto-Tune Artist on the vocals.
My text, my check.
So this is Auto-Tune Artist on the vocals.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My text, my check. 1 2 1 2. My text one check, yeah. Oh, 7 6 again. My text my check. Oh yeah, oh yeah. My text my check. 1 2 1 2. My text one check, yeah.
Okay, so now how can you actually get these auto tunes that I've mentioned in this video? All you need to do is to watch the next video that's gonna pop up on the screen, and I'm gonna show you how you can get a free version of Auto-Tune Artist, Auto-Tune Access, Auto-Tune EFS Plus. I mean, you're gonna try these auto tunes, and if you are cool with that, you can actually decide whether to go for a full purchase or not. All right, so watch the next video and I will show you that. Until then, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know your favorite auto tune. All right, super simple. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.